This is how to fix the Palworld Crash Reporter. Go to the Windows taskbar and click this upside arrow, and then if you do find the Steam icon appearing, right click and select Exit Steam. Then go to any empty space in the Windows taskbar, right click and open the Task Manager. From here, go to the search and type in Steam. If you still find it running in the background, make sure to terminate it as well. So right click on it and select End Task. For the next step, go to the Windows icon and then go to Settings. Be redirected to the home, so go to the Windows Update. Make sure to select Download and install all of them. Even if you have stuck or pending updates, you need to ensure that you have already installed all of them too. Now relaunch Steam, go to the View option and then go to Library. Now select Palworld Game. The game must be installed. Once you select it, click on this gear icon. After that, click on Properties, and here select Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. You need to wait for the process to finish so it can verify and recover any missing or corrupted file. Alternatively, go to the Steam logo top left corner and then go to Settings, go to Storage, and then select the right drive, and then go to Settings and select Repair Library. After that, go to Downloads and then select Clear Cache and click on Confirm, and hopefully the problem is fixed.